Good morning, guys. Welcome to day 7 of Vlogmas. So I didn't have my whole getting ready montage this morning because we actually just got up. It's around 8:30 and my son is home. It's the Feast of the Immaculate Conception and he goes to Catholic school. So he's got a couple days off this week. So you might hear a little bit of background noise in today's and tomorrow's videos. But anyway, I have some fun things to share with you today. I got a Stitch Fix order and I remember doing Stitch Fix a while back, like a couple years ago, and it was okay, but I kind of wanted to try them again because I am just in such a rut with my clothing these days. All the stores that I used to shop at in my 20s, I kind of feel like I'm too old for them or they just don't fit me as well as they used to. I'm kind of like in this weird in between stage and I don't really know like what to get for myself. So I was hoping that maybe they would send some cute pieces. So we'll definitely see what's in there. I also got 4 new palettes from CColor Cosmetics in yesterday. So we're going to take a look at those and swatch those. And then I guess whatever else shows up today, we'll do those as well. So let's go ahead and jump right in. All right, so here we have the CColor box. So there's 4 new palettes. We have Bold and Beautiful, Fiesta All Day, Corencia, and Empowered Excellence. So I don't know that these are actually dupe palettes. Normally CColor does dupes, but I noticed lately they've been kind of doing their own thing as well. So like this one is really super colorful. And the Fiesta one actually is too. It's like a rainbow palette. Then this one is like really pretty pinks. And then Empowered Excellence is also more of a colorful palette. So I figured I would definitely swatch these today. And also I got my Stitch Fix. So I got, I think like 5 different items. I got a pair of jeans and then 4 tops. So we'll try those on too and see how they work out. They also have a new thing now called Freestyle where you can go on their site and they'll kind of show you other pieces. Like they have a store where you can go and just buy things instead of having a stylist send them to you. And they'll let you know like what in the store would go with the things that they sent. So it kind of like does the hard work for you. And I love just being able to get stuff delivered to the house because I'm really not in the mood to go into the stores lately. They're just always so crowded, and especially this time of year, it's germs everywhere, and I am quite a bit of a germaphobe. So anyway, that's what came in last night. All right, so let's check out the Stitch Fix box first. So I ended up getting this top from Vineyard Vines. I actually have a bunch of these already, so I don't know if I'm going to keep it, but it is really cute, and I'll definitely try it on and see if I like it. Also, this striped shirt, which I thought was a sweater at first, but it's really thin, kind of almost like t-shirt material, but that's super cute and just really basic. Also, these 2 sweaters are actually identical. They're the same brand and everything. She just sent it to me in 2 different colors, like an olive green and then a light gray. And then she also sent these dark gray jeans from Liverpool, and they're really nice stretchy material, kind of like jeggings, so they're going to be really comfortable. And I basically emphasized that to her, to my stylist, was that I just wanted like everyday, very casual pieces, that I'm in like leggings most of the time, and I did need some jeans to kind of boost my wardrobe just a little bit. I don't wear jeans very often because I just find them to be uncomfortable after gaining weight and everything. So I'm hoping that these will be comfy enough to wear on an everyday basis. So anyway, why don't we go ahead and try this all on? I'm hoping that everything fits. All right, so here is outfit number 1. The jeans fit perfectly. They are so comfortable. They literally feel like leggings. They're a thin material and they have so much stretch, and they just hit kind of below my belly button. So I would say these are kind of a mid-rise. So I'm so happy about that as well because I don't like high-rise. They always hurt my stomach, but I don't like the really low rise ones either that feel like they're falling off. So these are just perfect. I love the dark wash of them as well. And it's just a different alternative like to blue jeans. And also this shirt is really cute as well. This is from Market and Spruce and I got it in the size large. I mean, you could easily like just tuck it in a little bit or wear it out. It's not a super long shirt, but I think it's just a perfect length. I feel like so many shirts are more cropped these days, so I like that it hits right at the hip. It also has kind of a slight boat neck, which is really flattering as well on the top. I feel like the sleeves are a little bit long for me, but not terrible. Also, I got the jeans in a size 10. All right, next is the Vineyard Vines top. And to be honest, I mean, I like these. Like I said, I have them in so many colors, but I just feel like this color with the navy and white stripe and the hot pink accent, I think this is better suited for the summertime. Like I could see myself wearing this with a pair of white shorts, like in the evening time when it gets cold out. I don't really love it with jeans. It's just not really my style as much. It's a little sporty, I guess. I do have Vineyard Vines pullovers that I've worn actually in some of these videos. You've probably seen them, but they're more of like a sweater material. This one feels like those golf shirts where it's like a really slick feeling, almost like the kind that's supposed to wick the sweat away from you, and I don't know how much I love it, so I think I'm probably gonna return this one. Next up we have the olive green sweater, and I really like this one too. It has like a nice fit. It's not too boxy. It's closely cut to the body, but it doesn't cling anywhere. It also is pretty long length as well, so let me just untuck it and show you guys what that looks like. So I feel like I could wear this with leggings too if I wanted. It's definitely the right length. It covers in the back, which is nice. So yeah, also I wanted to show you the texture. It kind of has like a nubby sort of a knit to it, so that just creates a little bit of interest. But it's thin enough, it's not a bulky sweater, so you can tuck it in if you want to and just kind of make like a little bit of a different look. So let me just try the gray one on really quick. All right, so here's the gray one with the jeans. So it's the exact same style. I think I like the gray with these jeans just a little better because there's more of a contrast. I just felt like the olive green with these jeans was maybe like overall a little bit too dark, but I do like this one too. I don't know if I need them both since they're exactly the same sweater. I'd love to hear your thoughts on which color you like best, the olive green or the gray. I may keep them both, but I'm not positive. And then I just wanted to quickly try on the gray one with leggings just so I could see the length. It definitely is long enough to wear with leggings for sure. And I think it would just look really cute with like a pair of boots or booties or something, or even sneakers. It's nice and casual. I think it definitely works. All right, so overall, I think my stylist did a great job. I like all of the pieces. I think the only thing I'm not going to keep for sure is the Vineyard Vines top. I'm pretty sure I'm going to keep most of these. I might, like I said, I just have to decide whether I want to keep both of these colors or just one of them. But another thing I forgot to show you guys too is that they kind of show you how to style each piece. Like they give you two different outfit options, and it also shows that on the website as well. So this top was by Market and Spruce. It's their Arnold Raglan knit top. Then we have the Pink Clover Nicole textured pullover in two colors. The jeans were the Liverpool Kaylee skinny jeans, and oh my gosh, so comfortable. The Vineyard Vines was the San Katie Shep knit. So yeah, so far just had a really good experience with Stitch Fix. So I'm definitely excited to try it again. Maybe next time I'll get some boots or some other kinds of tops besides sweaters. So I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you guys tried Stitch Fix, and how was your experience? All right, guys, next let's take a look at these CColor palettes. We'll open them up, do some swatches, and I'm just really excited. I feel like CColor is such a good brand. They're really affordable, and their palettes are always nicely pigmented, and they usually do dupes like Alter Ego, but I feel like they've definitely been going off in their own direction lately and doing their own thing. So here's a look inside, and this one is definitely bright. You do have two pressed glitters here and here. You also have 4 shimmer shades, and then the rest are matte. So you have 14 shades altogether. So I thought I would just do a couple live swatches. We'll see what the formula's like, and then I'll show you the whole palette swatched out. So I'm really loving the look of this green right here, Hustle. So let's try that one. And Intelligent over here. Let's see what that one's like as well. Super shiny and metallic. And I'll show you guys the glitter shades really quick. Okay, so there's the green one. There's the gold.
All right, so next let's swatch two of the mattes. I want to see what this red swatch is like and also the blue. Whoa, that is crazy pigmented. All right, so let's go ahead and swatch these out on my arm. Okay, so here is Empowered Excellence. What do you guys think of the color story? For me, I probably would not wear something quite this bold. There are a couple shades in here that I could definitely see myself using, but it's not my typical neutrals. But for those of you who love color, I would love to hear just what you think of this palette in general and would you wear it? Like, I don't even really know where to start with a colorful palette like this. I'm not sure like how I would wear it. So I'd be curious to hear your thoughts. Just quickly before we move on, because I did notice some staining on my fingers and on my arm too, that I wanted to show you guys the ingredients because there are pressed pigments in here and sometimes those can definitely stain. I also wanted to point out that in the regular eyeshadows, there is carmine. There is not in the pressed pigments, but there are quite a few shades here that do have carmine in it too. Next up, let's check out Bold and Beautiful. So this one actually seems to have 4 pressed glitters, 2 regular shimmers, and then the rest are matte shades. And then here's a look at the back. I don't think I see carmine in this one. Oh wait, yes I do. It's right here. Okay, so this one also has carmine too. Okay, so here's Bold and Beautiful. And this one, I'm not really a huge fan of these pressed glitters, especially these two are very like thick and chunky and they feel very scratchy even just applying them to my arm, so I can't even imagine what they would feel like on your eyes. These two were a little bit finer and not quite as scratchy. They felt softer, so those I think would be a little bit better. And then, I mean, the matte shades, I felt like they had a good amount of pigmentation, but this one is definitely not my favorite of the 4. Next, let's check out Cadencia, and from what I understand, that's supposed to mean like a place you love, I think. So this one is definitely my favorite. I know, call me boring, but this one has no pressed glitters, and also I just love the rosy tones and the neutrals. So let's go ahead and swatch this one. All right, so this one is really pretty. It reminds me of something. I just am having trouble thinking of exactly what it is. If you guys know of anything that this looks like, definitely let us know down below. But I think this one is super pretty. This would actually be a really nice Valentine's Day palette. It just makes me think of maybe like Natasha Denona Love or something like that. And then last but not least, we have Fiesta All Day. And this one is definitely like a rainbow palette. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pressed glitters in this one and 2 regular shimmers, and then the rest are mattes, and it kind of is going in rainbow order here. So let's go ahead and swatch this one and we'll take a look. Okay, so Fiesta All Day, while it's definitely not my thing, it is really pretty, and this pressed glitter right here is stunning. Like, look at all the different colors that are in there, and it's just beautiful. I really, really like that one a lot. I feel like these two together with maybe the blue would be so pretty. But anyway, I'd love to get your take on these palettes down in the comments below. Would you try these? Are you into color? Are you more into neutrals like me? I would love to hear your thoughts. Hey guys, it's a little bit later on in the day and I got a couple of packages in the mail. The first one was from Amazon. I actually wanted to try these new products from I'm Mimi. I really love this brand and they have an official Amazon store and everything comes like in a day. So I placed my order yesterday and it came in today. So they have brand new products. They have My Custom Blush, which are really cute single blushes, and I love their afternoon tea blush trios. They're amazing. I've shown those before on my channel. And also I got a little eyeshadow palette called What's in My Bag. It's super cute. And then some lip products. We have 2 lipsticks. And then this is from Apo. This is from their Juicy Pang line. And they also had this on Amazon as well. And this is another lip product. So I'm really excited. If you guys would like to see a try on of some of this stuff tomorrow, I can definitely do that. But let me just quickly show you what they look like. So the What's in My Bag palette looks like a little purse. It has a little handle on it. And then when you open it up, you have 2 face powders, like a bronzy powder, and then one it's sort of a blush. It's hard to tell in this lighting, but it's like a really pale nude blush. And then you have 6 eyeshadow colors. And then here's what the blushes look like. These are also super, super cute, and they just look like such beautiful, soft colors. I got one that was more of a nude, one that's like kind of a pink nude, and then this one's more peachy. And these say it's a single powder blush with a blendable formula and translucent payoff. And then these are the two I'm Mimi lipsticks. Trying to get it to focus. There we go. So these are supposed to be like a velvety lip color. It says they're buildable and blendable matte lipstick with a velvet finish. So that's my little K Beauty haul from Amazon. And then I also went back to Clarins and I got the full size of one of the samples that I tried last week. It was the Hydra Essential Rich Cream, and this is such an amazing cream for dry skin. I've just been loving the sample that I got, so I wanted to get the full size. And it's just the thickest, most comforting cream. I've really, really been enjoying it a lot, and I feel like my skin just always has kind of like a healthy glow to it now, when normally it looks very dry and dull. And I also got part of the Hydra Essential line as well. It's their moisture replenishing lip balm, and I've tried this in the past and I remember really loving it. So as long as they haven't reformulated, then I'm super happy to have this again. This is what the tube looks like, and then the product itself is just a really, really thick, cushiony lip balm that just feels amazing on your lips. And it has a little bit of like a sweet scent. It's kind of sweet and a little bit herbal, but I definitely don't mind it. I actually love the scent of this. And then I got 3 more samples to try. I got another of the V-shaping facial lift because I've really been enjoying that, and my sample's almost gone now. I've been using it for about a week. And then I also got the Eye Expert Extra Firming Cream as well, and then the Bright Plus Advanced Brightening Dark Spot Targeting Serum. So if you'd like to see a try on of some of the K Beauty tomorrow, definitely let me know in the comments below. And also, I think I'm just going to go ahead and end the vlog here. It's about 5 p.m., so I have to get this all edited and make dinner and all that stuff. So I will see you guys tomorrow for another vlog. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, guys. Bye.